Today's video? Teach you the long atrium and the short atrium respectively. 2 makeup ideas. Whether the long atrium is shortened, or is it short and elongated? It's all through some small details of the adjustment. Come and let me have a comparison of 3 quarts and 5 eyes. Looks more harmonious after reading this issue. Let's make some small changes to our daily makeup. You can get big results. First of all, like my face shape, I still have long eyes. So what about comparison? My atrium is still a little longer, so we're going to start with a long atrium. That looks like a long atrium. It is usually accompanied by a high eye position. The eyebrows will be narrower. It's like we've shared it before. What if you want to lower your eye position? The focus of our eye makeup should still be on. We are in the second half, so start with the eyeballs. Or is it more recommended to use this fixed axis highlight model? I can put it on for you to see. It's just below our pupils. That little crescent-shaped highlight. He just naturally, hey, let's do this. The visual center moves down. Let him directly open the distance between the eyebrows and eyes. It will reduce a lot. The eyebrow-eye spacing is too narrow. And like this brown transparent large diameter, it really makes the eyes look more energetic. It seems that the eyes are big. Round. Is this eye smell? Naturally, it goes down. Like eyeshadow, we just need to use the main color. On the upper eyelids, a simple tiling layer will do. We have always not damaged the upper eyelids. Lower eyeshadow attention. We can use this fingertip brush. Make the entire print range slightly larger. You can even give us agio saliva. It's packed in. Then this step is not only to emphasize our agio sal, just to feel the extent of our entire lower eye socket. The right arm went down and it is the essential eye point to lower the eye position. Distance from your lower eyelids. Slightly empty 1 to 2 millimeters. Draw a semi-arc like this. Connected directly below our pupils. Does this have to be a little thicker? Completely blind, moving down a little here too. Make a connection in the middle. Then the corners of our eyes should also be slightly. Hook down a bit. All round. Lower our eyes to him. Hook this step down from the corner of the eye. He is more deceptive, because as soon as the corner of the eye comes down, you see this is very intuitive. The 2 eyes are different in height. What about the width of this agio saliva? I usually set it at 1/3 of our entire eye height. About this width. In daily life, it will not be particularly exaggerated to the naked eye. It worked wonders. The front is narrow and the back is wide. Then go to the tail and slowly wrap it on. If you smudge our agio sal again, it must be 1. Noodle, don't draw a line. For brightening, we use a slightly more watery one. More laser. And this agio saliva looks a little more conspicuous. We open this corner of the eye. The surrounding area also revolves around physical strength. Look at this structure, the contrast is more obvious. This corner of the eye will look smooth. Double eyelid stickers are not sticky in daily life. Actually, it's okay. But like I want the contrast to be more obvious. Be more prominent. So I'll stick a front high. Rear low. Let the eyes be comfortable and they will become round. This innocent, pitiful sagging eye mask. The same eyeliner. We are also in this. On the basis of perspective. Let him fall slightly. Go down to the inside of the line like this. The lower corner of one's own eye. We can use a concealer pen. We get down. Eye makeup will look clearer and cleaner. Put this eyelash one. Paste this feeling and it will be in place in an instant, right? Let the end of the eye feel slightly falling. Just the whole eye smell was pulled out again in an instant. The whole eyebrow always pays attention to a flat. Don't raise your eyebrows too high. Bring the eyebrow dye cream a little bit. Lighten the presence of the eyebrows. Blush with agio saliva. Below the inside of the country. Here is a doe blush in the face. Reduce white space in the face. You can take it a little bit to the side of the nose eye. Be considerate of our immediate triangle. Zirong, what about our double flying line? It must be in the direction of the eye socket. Do not connect to the brow. Wipe like this. That's how the nose goes from normal to the short. The middle of the back of the nose is gently passed. If the nose is longer, try to reduce the presence of nose shadow. The more fierce you are, instead, he may have the effect of emphasizing him more. At the bottom of the pen, you can cut 1 stroke horizontally and 1 click. Lift up slightly. Then lift the back of the nose. Light visual movement to the tip of our nose. Let's look down at the same time. We also raise our lips. Make a small triangle here. Hook from the corner up. Miter back. The effect is not only a split lip effect. Our lips are all up. Get a mole. Okay, you're done. Look at the comparison on these 2 sides. That is, no matter what angle you look at it from. This atrium has been shortened. This visual, this atrium? This is shrinking very, very much. And if we have a short atrium, we want to lengthen it. Like a short atrium, it is usually accompanied by low eye position. These facial features are prone to a sense of urgency. So what about our makeup ideas? It is to try to make the distribution of our facial features better. It's more atmospheric. Just our eye makeup shouldn't be too heavy. Just try to minimize vertical placement like this one here. Steps for big eyes. First, the eyeballs. Here we must choose the Link Copper transparent model. Like this versatile and minimalist linen gray. Then his lock edge is relatively light. It's not rigid, with this watery brown gray inner ring. Overall, it has a very natural big eye effect. Then it will appear that the eyes are very focused. Like this more versatile and natural style, it will make our whole eye makeup more stretched. A little bit smarter. Like this one, I usually wear more. Because it is atmospheric and simple. It just feels like your usual commute. It is quite suitable for any occasion. On our side just now, the eyeshadow is mainly placed in the lower half. What about eyeshadow here? We put it mainly in. Second half here. So you have a little bit of nature in the eye socket. Extend backwards. The feeling of lifting your eyes up. What about the second half? This lower side is like this. Just trace it against the root of the lower eyelashes. What about double eyelids? We paste it into a style that is high after the money drops. So open the back half of the eye here. What about eyeliner? It's different here. We can try to draw an upward side. Give it eyeliner from the outside of the pupil here. Pull it out. Don't let it trend downward. Extend back. Connect back to our last eyelash here. Fill it up. Is this eyeliner on? Both sides. Compared with the feeling, this eye position will go up directly. Then the corner of the eye we follow the upper eye forward. Go and drive a little pointy. Pay attention, we are opening the corner of the eye forward. This is the hook going down. Agiosal is also similar to its own Agiosal line. Draw one. Thin and narrow is fine. The eyes light up here, we're going down. The eyes here brighten up. We are mainly going up. Then raise the eye socket to it and take a look. I haven't added eyelashes yet. The comparison between these two sides is already very different. We still paste the eyelashes here. Let the eye shape go up and fly diagonally. What about our eyebrows? You can have a little presence. It's above the outer corner of our eye. Then the tail of his eyebrow fell slightly for him. You can raise his eyebrows a bit. This will make the starting point of our middle product higher. We can catch up on a little bit of fluffy flu. We also type the blush diagonally up. Here's a blush with a more shrink color. This style of play is particularly improved. I feel like my whole face is being pulled up. What about grooming here? We can straighten it a little bit. Connected to our brow here. Just now, we only highlighted the current triangle here. Here we want to lengthen the atrium. You can give him the entire atrium. Lighten up. Look, the whole makeup will become very clean. Okay, finally we are the most intuitive. Take a look at the least oblique. Shorten the atrium. Flower intestine atrium. Totally two styles. It's just that the whole face feels tight here. It's up. And here we have the crooked eyes and crooked eyebrows. Very gentle wow. I feel that these two sides have adjusted their facial features today. These little tricks of proportion. Everyone just takes it casually when they wear makeup every day. Just a dot, try it. You will find that the overall makeup has actually changed. The good effect is for our entire 3 quarts. This ratio of 5 eyes. It all has a very intuitive adjustment effect.